Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Snapchat app and sign in with your username and password. Tap your profile icon in the top left of the camera screen. From your profile, select the gear icon to open settings and access privacy controls. Scroll until you find the section labeled Privacy and then find Spotlight and Public Stories. This area contains your Spotlight history and preferences for public content. Pause here and ensure you are on a secure Wi-Fi network before making changes to account data. Choose Spotlight and Public Stories from Settings to view Spotlight options. Within that menu, select Manage Spotlight Activity and then choose Clear Spotlight History to remove local traces. The app will prompt you to confirm deletion before it proceeds with clearing data. Confirm by tapping Delete or Clear to complete the process. Understand that Snapchat may retain some server-side data for up to 30 days for safety and legal reasons. You will receive an on-screen notice when deletion finishes successfully. Disable auto-upload and restrict who can view your Spotlight posts in privacy settings. Turn off any setting that automatically saves or uploads content to Spotlight. Regularly clear search history and caches inside the app to limit local Spotlight traces and reduce stored metadata. If you require deeper server-side deletion, request account data removal through Snapchat support and follow their form and verification steps. Keep your app updated and review privacy settings every 3 months to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.